How to turn off auto download videos using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download videos using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and then just click when using mobile data. And if you want to turn off videos, just click on it and click OK, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.